Hi guys, welcome to LifeSmart online training. I am Lily. Today I would like to talk about the Cololight Plus. Later I will show you how to install the product, how to pair the device, and show you how to use the Cololight app. First, let's meet the product. This is called controller unit. It has two holes and one button on the top side. One hole is for pickup, one hole is a reset button. Then for the middle button, it can switch the effects from one to another. It has 5 effects for you to select. Then on another side, it has a QR code. This is for the iPhone users to scan the QR code to add the device, and some information about the Cololight Plus. Then now I have 4 light blocks here. On the back side of the light block, it has 5 signal output port and just one signal input port. It means that we need to connect the device, connect the signal input port with a connector by this connector. You can see it has 2 connectors here. One is longer and another is shorter. The short one is called a flexitor. It can help us to fix the device. And for the longer, this is called the connector. It can transmit the signals from one block to another block, or transmit the signals from the controller to the blocks. So now we use this longer connector to connect the controller with another one block. First, we connect the controller and the signal input port. Also, it has 5 signal output ports for us to choose. For example, I choose this signal output port. Then I connect to another block's signal input port to get the signal. Also, it has 5 signal output ports for we to choose. Then we connect the blocks one by one. This is a signal input port. We use this connector to connect them. Then for these 2 blocks, we use a shorter flexitor to fix them. Just like this. Now I have another block. For example, it like this. Maybe the shape is a little strange, so I need to change it to another more beautiful shape like this. So it no longer needs the flexitor. Maybe like this shape. Can you see? Like this. Okay, now I will show you how to pair the device by iPhone or by Android phone. Here we connect to the adapter. Power on the device. For iPhone users, we can pair the device by Home app or Cololight app. First, we pair the Cololight Plus by Home app. Now, this is a home page. We click Add or Scan Accessory. Here, before scan the QR code, we need to reset the device. Here we find a pin to press the reset button. It has two holes here. If we press the button, we can feel the physical touch here. We need to press and hold the button until the indicator light is flashing. Here, please check the indicator light. Now the indicator light is flashing. It means that the device has been reset. Now we use the iPhone to scan the device QR code. This. It will show connecting. Then if we add it successfully, the light will be just like the red is flashing. Then we can set the room for the device. Click Next. Here we can also set the things for the device. Later it will show on the home page. If we click it, the Cololight Plus will turn off. If we click again, the device will turn on. Also, it has some favorite things here. Like arrive home, the device will turn on. If we click good night, the device will be turned off. Then after that, we can also add the device to the Cololight app. Here, Cololight app. Click this on the top side. Then click Add. And click Cololight. Choose Cololight Plus. Here we can. It also shows the reset button here. Okay. If we add the device to the home app before, it will show the Cololight here. Now we just choose the Cololight and select Check. Click Next. Click Next. Then it called My Light. So here we can slide up and down, turn on the device. My device, turn on the device, slide the effect. Here on the home page, the button, it has several icons here. We can click, the first is to turn on or turn off. The second one is to adjust the brightness. Here it will be more brightener. We can also set the brightness down. Also here it has some effects for us to choose. We can select these 10 default effects. Here was to mention that if we add the Cololight to Home app and the Cololight app together, both, then we can find Home app here. It will show the 10 default effects here. We can also call Siri to help to show this effect. For example, you can call, "Hi Siri, please set my Cololight to Christmas." It will change to the Christmas effect. Here also it has several plus. If we click plus, you can change the color, the speed, the effect speed. For example, we can choose this. The speed we can make it more faster. It also has some mode. We can click apply. This is the effect shows like the light. We can also save it and name it. Okay, then for this top side, it has several functions here. For first one is the setting. It can check the account management. You can also switch the language. It also has a beginning guide. Here you can find the help and support. It also will show here help and support. If you have, you can check the version here. If you have any questions, you can email to the support email. We will help you to solve the problem. Here, it also have the FAQ part. If it will jump to our website. If you have any questions about the internet or about the product, you can find some answers here. Maybe some network is not very good. Okay, so for this group, now it has two types of the device, cloud device and a local device. If we log into the app with an account, then we add the device. The device is called cloud device. It will show here. But if we just log into the Cololight app by guest mode here on the button, if we on this side add the device is called local mode, local device. So here we log into the Cololight app. Then here on the home page, you can slide left or swipe right to the static effect. Here it is a dynamic effect. Then it is a static effect. You can also select the color, edit the color you want. Here it also has a for these two effects, it also has a party mode. Here you can check. You can use the mobile Mac or the device Mac. If we choose the device Mac, then we play a music for the device. Here is the pickup. You can see from the lights. Here on this page, you can also select the pattern, the color, and the speed, and the brightness. You can also select the mode here. So if you have the product, you can try by yourself. Here, another tip is here you can see on the top, it has an ellipse seat here. It has several functions here. First, set distance. This is an important function for us when we use the device. For now, it has 4 blocks. We need to make the number is right so that we can get the right effect. And the later we on the third page, sometimes if the device suddenly offline, it will restart again. Here on the third page, it has the official lab. You can choose the dynamic effect, musical effect, and a static effect. Also, you can create the effect by your own self. Then here, the second one is the timer on or off. Here, for this one, the icon is just like a clock. If you click here, it will show the time zone and the DST. If your country has turned on the DST, you can click the button manually and turn off the button manually. Also, for the if you click the plus, it will show the timer or the countdown. Timer is for you to set the time when to turn on and when to turn off. For example, I need it to 5 a.m. to turn on and 6 p.m. to turn off. Here was to mention that please remember to select the week. Some customers may feedback if they forgot to set the week, this timer may not work. Also, then the process will show on the page. If we click the countdown, for example, 6 minutes later, the device to turn off, it will show like this. We can also select 90 minutes later, it will turn on. It will show like this. It will show like this. Here, you can check the history and the device setting. Device setting, you can check the device information. You can upgrade the device here. It is called device upgrade. You can also modify the device password, the name, and reconnect the device. Okay, I think that's for today's Cololight Plus for iPhone users. Also, you can add the device by Android users. Now I need from the this account to delete the device setting to delete the device. Yes. Then here I log into my iPhone Android users with the same operation. Add Cololight Plus. Next, I need to reset the device. Find the reset button. Hold and press for more than 5 seconds. The indicator will flash. Now the indicator is flashing. Then we click next. Here on this page, it means that you need to pair your phone to the Cololight Wi-Fi. So you can switch to the device Wi-Fi setting. Here, find the Cololight Wi-Fi. And this is the second one. After that, we click next. Here on this page, it means that you need to pair the device to the normal Wi-Fi. If you want to pair the device, you need to pair. Oh, if some tips shows you, the current Wi-Fi is not doesn't work. You need to switch to another Wi-Fi. Please just click cancel. Then here on this page, you can give it a Wi-Fi. Here on this page, for example, I click this and input the password. Here, click next. It will show like this. Here, when this page shows, it means the light controller and the mobile phone are required to stay under the same Wi-Fi network to proceed pairing. Please change your mobile Wi-Fi to the previous configured one. So if this page shows, please click Go Configure. Then select the Wi-Fi you paired to the device. I paired the device with the LifeSmart Lab Wi-Fi. Then we click back. Here on this page will go on. After that, we click next. Then the device is added successfully. Okay, that's the online training about the Cololight Plus. Here, I need to mention again, if we add the device successfully, it is better to set the device distance first. For example, I have 4 blocks. I need to set here the number is 4. So it will make sure that your device can work normally. Also, if the blocks is more than 10, it is better to have the external power supply to provide the external power so that the device can work normally. Okay, that's for today. Thank you very much.